Vin Chai in Phray province, we think. Actually very, very nice journey. It's a nice and cold train, and have some good views out the window. Very nice views regardless. We actually lived about a mile away from a train track. You could hear it at night, and actually think the sound of a train is soothing. The whistles and stuff. Station. A lot of people got off. I would say, like, in our compartment, like 2/3 of the people got off, not more. See the dog? It's beautiful. With the light not on, just to see how really dark it is when the light is not on. This is the train at the train station in Chiang Mai. Nice big train station. We're gonna go to Niman area where the Airbnb is. And so I'm gonna walk out in a minute. I just wanted to take a video. So we're going now. Chiang Mai, I really like Chiang Mai. Great food. Niman, 5 Palms. So this is Thai tea. So Smoothie Blues, really good breakfast place. They also have dinner and stuff later, but the main star is the breakfast menu. You got a 4-cheese omelet. With avocado. So here at Smoothie Blues, I got my eggs Benedict. I took a bite out of the french fry, sorry. I forgot, I always forget and then start eating my food. And then this is a croissant. It's huge. I did not expect this to be so big. So I think I'm gonna get a massage here. Our place is just right up there at the end of the road on the right. This is really close by. I think I'm just gonna get a foot massage for $2.50. It looks like a really nice place inside. So I just noticed the mountain over there. So maybe later today I'll go up there and take a video and enjoy the view. So I'm here at the Starbucks near Niman by Palm Spring, where we're staying. Very nice. This is some traditional Thai patterns. We actually saw a TV program showing me. White chocolate mocha, and I got a pumpkin tart here. Okay. So white chocolate mocha?
I don't know what it is.
It's a white chocolate mocha, yep. Little sign here. One Jai means wholehearted happiness.